Kanyang kasama pass to Abasolo. Now Abasolo pass the ball to Alim. Sa ilalim, he doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Vega ang bola for the rebound. Now Vega try to shoot. Yes. Alvarez pass the ball to Bugtong. Steal by Abasolo pass the ball to Mandak. Ang unang puntos na Alvarez pass the ball to Nabo. Nabo finds Montes. Back to Alvarez, blind pass to Nabo sa gilid. He doesn't make it. Vega got the rebound. Pass. Mandak pass the ball to Abasolo. Back to Mandak at the 3. He doesn't make it. Nakuha ng team MPC ang bola. Sentin. Mandak pass the ball to Abasolo. Sentin, he doesn't make it. Nakabang si Mr. Alvarez for the rebound. Steal by Abasolo. 2 points.
75%.
Now Mandak dribbling the ball. Finds Abasolo. Now Abasolo trying to shoot. He doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Alim ang bola for the rebound. Hinahanap ang kanyang kasama. Pass the ball to Mandak. Finds Sentin sa gilid. Sa 3. He doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Abasolo. Steal by Nabo. Ibinatong bola kay Mr. Alvarez. Basket. 2 points. Pass to Abasolo. Finds Sentin. He doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Bugtong ang bola ng Bugtong for the rebound. Dribbling the ball. Nagmamadali. Ede-derecho ang bola. Hinahanap ang kanyang kasama. Try to shoot. Basket. Bounding pass the ball to Mr. Alvarez. Now Alvarez finds Montes. Back to Nabo sa 3. Yes! Nabo! 3. Now Sentin dribbling the ball. Binabantayan ni Mr. Alvarez. Sentin dribbling the ball. Trying to shoot. Block ball by Mr. Bugtong. Pass to Alvarez now. Nabo trying to shoot. Nabo. Now Aceron dribbling the ball. Pass to Samudio. Samudio finds back to Aceron trying to shoot. He doesn't make it. Nagagawan sa bola. Nakuha ni Mr. Sentin. Still rudder. Nabo pass to Alvarez. Back to Nabo. Basket. Alim. 2 points. Last 50 seconds. Montes pass the ball to Alvarez. Back to Montes, finds Bugtong. He doesn't make it. Alim got the rebound. Pinatong bola kay Mr. Sentin. Now Sentin pass the ball to Samudio. Umikot pa ang bola. Samudio. 4 seconds. Alvarez dribbling the ball. Pass to Sentin. Sentin for the steal. Another steal para kay Mr. Bugtong ng Bugtong. Pass to Alvarez. Vega finds Nabo sa 3. He doesn't make it. 3 seconds. Vega. Sentin. Now Sentin, hinahanap ang kanyang kasama. Pass the ball back to Franco. Sentin pumesto sa 3. He doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Alvarez ang bola. Now Alvarez dribbling the ball. Hinaharangan ni Mr. Sentin. Pinapababa ang kanyang kasama. Pass the ball. Ang pilido ng jersey 91.
Jamla po, Jamla. Jamla.
Sige. Alvarez dribbling the ball. Hinahanap ang kanyang kasama. Pass the ball. Sino yan? Now Nabo sa 3. Yes! Nabo! Bounding pass the ball to Franco. Now Franco dribbling the ball. Pass to Issue, he doesn't make it. Nagmamadali si Mr. Nabo. Pass to Isbera. He loses the ball. Steal by Mr. Issue. Pass the ball to Sentin. Now Sentin dribbling the ball. Trying to shoot. Fades away, he doesn't make it. Now Isbera got the rebound. Pass the ball to Alvarez. Now Alvarez. Jamla pa to Esguera. Steal by Issue. Now Aceron trying to shoot, he doesn't make it. Nakaabang si Mr. Franco for the rebound. Pass to Issue sa gitna. He doesn't make it. Alvarez for the rebound. Now Alvarez nagmamadali. Trying to communicate. Pass the ball to Paji. Yes! Paji! 3 points. Hatid sa inyo ng live na LD. Hasaron pass the ball to Franco. Finds Sentin. Hinaharangan ni Mr. Esguera. Dinerecho ang bola but there's a whistle. Now Franco dribbling the ball. Binabantayan ni Mr. Geraldo. Finds Alim. Franco. 2 points. Haji inbounding pass the ball to Alvarez. Now Alvarez dribbling the ball. 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Bypass the ball to Esguera. Hinanap si Mr. Paji sa 3. Yes! Hasaron inbounding pass the ball to Mr. Franco. Franco finds Sentin. Now Sentin. Blind pass the ball. Miscommunication pero nakuha pa rin eh. Mr. Franco pass to Aceron sa ilalim. Paji. 2 points. Aceron pass the ball to Franco. Finds Sentin. Binabantayan ni Mr. Geraldo. Steal. Paji for the steal. Pass the ball to Alvarez. 3 minutes and 13 seconds ang Alvarez dribbling the ball. Pinapababa ang kanyang kasama. Now Alvarez blind pass the ball. Miscommunication. Saved by Mr. Geraldo. No good. Geraldo got the rebound. Pass the ball to Paji. Pass to Alvarez. 7-second shot clock. Paji sa 3, he doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Jamla ng bola. Basket. Jamla. Paji inbounding pass the ball to Alvarez. Now Alvarez dribbling the ball. Binabantayan ni Mr. Mandak. Pass the ball to Jamla. Jamla finds Paji. Still by Issue. Issue now. Binabantayan ni Mr. Anyonedo. Samudio pass the ball to Mandak. Nagmamadali. Finds Sentin. Aceron rather. Trying to save the ball. Pass to Zamudio. At the side, pinabanda ang bola. Paji dribbling the ball. Pass to Alvarez. Pinabantayan ni Mr. Aceron. Alvarez now dribbling the ball. Tumira sa press. He doesn't make it. Zamudio got the rebound. Pass to Aceron. Basket. Asi. Pass the ball to Bugtong. Now Bugtong. Steal by Zamudio. Now Zamudio trying to shoot. Zamudio. 2 points. Now we'll pass the ball to Bugtong. Now Bugtong finds Mr. Vega. Castillo, he doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Mandak ang bola ng Mandak. Dribbling the ball. Finds Abasolo trying to shoot. Abasolo. Castillo pass the ball to Mr. Montes. He doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Vega ang bola. Same ball. Inbounding pass the ball is steal by Mr. Zamudio. Binigay bola kay Mr. Mandak ng Mandak. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Zamudio. Hinahanap ang kanyang kasama. Steal by Nabo. Nabo dribbling the ball. Pass the ball to Castillo. Block ball by Mr. Mandak. Jamla pass the ball to Nabo sa 3. Yes! Nabo, 3 points. Now Mandak. Pass to Zamudio. Zamudio, pinapababa ang kanyang kasama. 10-second shot clock finds Abasolo. To Sentin, it's a foul. Count. Pass the ball to Castillo. Castillo finds Bugtong. He doesn't make it. Hindi makapreso. Pass the ball to Nabo. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Alim ang bola. Alim pass the ball to Mr. Abasolo. Abasolo finds Zamudio to Basket. Sentin. Alvarez inbounding pass the ball to jump. Montes pala yan, sorry. Finds Alvarez. Nakuha ni Mr. Alim ang bola. Alim pass the ball to Ted. Finds Zamudio. Nagmamadali. Now Zamudio trying to pass the ball to Abasolo. Abasolo pass the ball to Ted. trying to shoot, he doesn't make it. It's a foul. Nagagawan sa bola. Samudio. Pass to Ted. Ted finds Abasolo. Back to Samudio. 12-second shot clock. Ted trying to shoot. He doesn't make it. Sentin for the save. Hinaharangan ni Mr. Nabo. Pass the ball to Samudio. He doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Bugtong ang bola for the rebound. Pass the ball to Vega. Nabo, 2 points. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan ng team Mac Oco selection ng Zamudio. Turnover. Paji sa 3, he doesn't make it. It's a foul. Now Samudio, pass the ball to Sentin. Sentin hinaharangan ni Mr. Bugtong, finds Abasolo, mandak sa gilid, basket, mandak. 54 seconds. Nabo, dribbling the ball. Pinapababa ang kanyang kasama. Nabo, pass the ball to Jamla. He doesn't make it. Nabo, 2 points. 35 seconds. Samudio. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Aceron. Aceron, hindi na yung bola. Pass to Abasolo. 2 points. Samudio Sentin. Pass to Aceron. He doesn't make it. Alvarez pass the ball to Nabo. Nagmamadali. Pass Paji. Basket. Paji. He pass the ball to Samudio. Now Samudio. Pass to Mandak. Trying to shoot. He doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Abasolo ang bola. Pass the ball to Aceron. Sa gitna. No good. Now Paji got the rebound. Dribbling the ball. Foul. Alvarez. Dribbling the ball, pinababa ang kanyang kasama, binabantayan ni Mr. Mandak. Alvarez, iliniretso ang bola, he doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Franco ang bola, na Franco steal by Paji. Now Paji, save by Nabo, pass the ball to Bugtong. Jamla, he doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Nabo ang bola, na Nabo, dribbling the ball. 10-second shot clock. Sentin trying to shoot. Sentin, 2 points. Wait, ball. Sentin pass the ball to Mandak. Mandak pass the ball to Abasolo. Back to Mr. Mandak. Try to shoot. Yes, sir. Mandak, 2 points. Reception. Alvarez now dribbling the ball. Binabantayan ni Mr. Sentin. Alvarez hinahanap ang kanyang kasama. Pass the ball to Paji. 9-second shot clock. 3. Sentin nakuha ang bola. Pass the ball to Mandak. Pass to Sentin. Nabo inbounding pass the ball to Alvarez. Alvarez now dribbling the ball. Binabantayan ni Sentin. Steal! Sentin! 2 points. Montes pass the ball to Alvarez sa tres. He doesn't make it. Nakuha ni Mr. Abasola ang bola. Pass the ball to Sentin. Now Sentin, idediretso ang bola. Sentin. 2 points. Sentin inbounding. Hinahanap ang kanyang kasama. Pass the ball to Mandak. Mandak now dribbling the ball. Finds Alim. Back to Mandak. 10-second shot clock. Trying to shoot. Yes, Mandak. 3 points. Nabos, 3 points. Abasolo, pass the ball to Mandak. Finds Alim. Saved by Abasolo. 1 minute and 53 seconds. Sentin, hinahanap ang kanyang kasama. Pass the ball to Aceron. Now Aceron, dribbling the ball, pass to Mandak. Mandak finds Abasolo at the side. He doesn't make it. Aceron. Ayaw pa rin, nagagawan sa bola. Nakuha ni Mr. Aceron. Now Aceron, pass the ball. Hinahanap si Mr. Mandak. Now Mandak dribbling the ball. 5-second shot clock. Hello.
Basket mo yan, basket!
17-3. Now Vega. Last 1 minute. Bugtong trying to shoot. He doesn't make it. Black ball. Nakuha ni Mr. Alvarez for the save ang bola. Na Alvarez hinahanap ang kanyang kasama. Pass the ball to Vega. 45 seconds. Bugtong, he doesn't make it. Mandak got the rebound to pass the ball to Abasolo. Now Abasolo bringing the ball. Pass to Sentin. Ay dinerecho ang bola. Sentin. 2 points. So Aceron. 8 seconds. Team NPC wins the game. For the rest